All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing a tour of Andrew's Matco Toolbox. Now this is a Matco triple bank, but it's actually built on a quad bank body, so it's actually wider than a triple bank. It's actually as wide as a quad bank, but they call it a triple bank. It only has 3 rows of drawers. So let's open it up, take a look. In the Hutch, he keeps our management system desktop along with charged and ready to go batteries in his locker. Y'all should recognize that. Same one I've got. Now his is configured with pull-out shelves. Keeps some cleaning supplies up here. He hasn't really figured out what to do with the locker. Now these drawers are actually upside down. He wanted them more as a bin. They normally come with the flat side up, but all you gotta do is swap them over and it kind of makes more of a drawer rather than just a shelf. Now down here on this drawer, he keeps his Varus along with some blow molded cases with block off plugs, stuff like that. Case for his Cornwell die grinder. Quite deep, by the way, 32-inch deep toolbox. Down here, he just has a moving mat. Came with a toolbox, so comes in handy here and there. Down here, he just got some straps, little tray. He hasn't really decided what he's going to do with the locker as far as what he's keeping in it. Electrical connectors, his U-joint for his truck, some known good coils for testing. Empty drawer. Blocks of wood, because Bam Bam likes to steal his wood. So he keeps it in here. All right, his first drawer is personal stuff, so we're going to leave this closed. Allen bits, various bits, snap-on little short bits. Next drawer down, screwdrivers, that he doesn't have on his cart, just various screwdrivers. All right, down here is the power drawer. He's got his chargers down here for his Milwaukee stuff, along with some straps, some spare hammers, and his case for his power probe. All right, next drawer down. Cases, cases, cases. Dial indicator, vacuum pump, Matco slide hammer kit, disconnect kits, another dial indicator. Noise lights. Axle remover set down there. That's actually valve removal tools for his Tacoma. When he bought it, it had burnt valves. So he bought the tool. All right, the money drawer, isn't that money? He's got his torque wrenches, snap-on tech angles, Pittsburgh Pro, test lead kit, heat gun, his snap-on low amp clamp for his Varus. This is a UV dye light. He just keeps it in a coil box for whatever reason. All of his connectors and all that for his Varus. Got some space up here. All right, next drawer down is the rest of his sockets that are not on his cart. You know, Matco stuff here, JTC, crow's feet, Snap-on SAE, Sunex impact swivels. He's upgraded to the Matco branded USA made. Various sockets on a magnet up here at front, various different sizes. You know, extensions, Honda special tool. All right, next drawer down, prying, and more prying. Panel removal tools, hose, picks, panel poppers, and over there he's got trays with just bits and pieces that might come in handy at some point. You know, grenade pins for timing belt tensioners, spare connector, just spare stuff. All right, down here, more bins of spare stuff along with pads for kneeling. He uses these to kneel on to spot cars. Along with glass cleaner. All right, down here, electrical. Power probe soldering iron, crimpers. He also has the AST, wire holder, tape, amp hound, relay testers, DVOM, relays. All right, next drawer down, a little bit of a junk drawer. Acid brushes, files, razor blades, brushes, kind of cleaning, spark tester, head gasket tester, micrometer, brushes for cleaning hubs, GM drum brake spring tool, Astro pneumatic ball joint tool. You've seen me review that kit. Chrysler GM harmonic balance puller. New purchase, JTC Volvo blower motor removal tool. Yeah, you need a special tool to remove a blower motor. Power steering puller installer kit, tail shaft. His brake tool for winding back calipers. Air tool drawer that he doesn't use very often. Air hammer that he does use. It's an old Snap-on. Bits, discs, air hammer bits. Just some of the stuff he doesn't use all the time. All right, next drawer down. Seldom used wrenches. Up to 1-inch SAE, 29 millimeter. These VIM thin wrenches. Blue point ratcheting, reversible flex heads. Pickle fork kit. Axle poppers, and an old school torque wrench. Cornwell hose pliers long, and the rest of his pliers that he doesn't use on a daily basis. Crimp tools, Toyota valve stem or valve lash tool to shim the valves. Disconnects. The destruction drawer. Drill bits, extractors from Cornwell, drill bits, spring punches. These are kind of neat. They're spring-loaded. Cold chisels, punches, stuff like that. They're actually come in really handy. Might have to get me a set. Extractors, tap and dies, extractors, helicoil kits, tap and die set. Some trays. Vacuum pressure kit from Harbor Freight. Snap-on fuel pressure tester. Compression gauge from Matco. Oil pressure from Snap-on. Leak down tester from Matco. Back pressure tester from Matco. And an old tag. I hope you like this tour of Andrew's Matco triple bank with a hutch and a locker. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you don't like Matco toolboxes. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.